Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vaseline Gluta Hya on your face. This innovative serum burst lotion is designed to give you brighter, more radiant skin. It features Gluta Glow technology, which is 10 times more effective than vitamin C in brightening your complexion. Additionally, hyaluron works to deeply hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling dewy and plump. Pro-retinol also helps to gently exfoliate, revealing smoother, healthier-looking skin with consistent use. Applying Vaseline Gluta Hya to your face is quite simple. First, ensure your face is clean and dry by washing it with your preferred gentle cleanser. Next, dispense a small, pea-sized amount of the Serum Burst lotion onto your fingertips. Carefully dot this amount onto key areas of your face, including your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then, using gentle, upward and outward motions, massage the product evenly into your skin until it is fully absorbed, ensuring complete coverage. For optimal results, consistency is key when using Vaseline Gluta Hya. We recommend applying the lotion twice daily, once in the morning and again before bedtime, to maximize its benefits. Remember, a small, pea-sized amount is usually sufficient for your entire face. There's no need to over-apply. During the day, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least 30 SPF to protect your skin. For a comprehensive glow, consider incorporating other Vaseline Gluta Hya body products into your routine. Before fully incorporating Vaseline Gluta Hya into your routine, it's always wise to perform a patch test. Apply a tiny amount to a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like behind your ear, and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, please discontinue use immediately. Store your lotion in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its efficacy. If you have particularly sensitive skin or specific skin conditions, consulting a dermatologist is always recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.